Ever wondered what actually happens to that protein shake after you gulp it down? Let me take you on a little journey, from your mouth to your muscles. It all starts the moment you take a bite, or a sip. Your teeth break food down, and saliva starts the digestion party. But the real magic? That happens in your stomach, where acids and enzymes unleash their power, chopping up big protein molecules into smaller chains called peptides. Now, those peptides enter your small intestine. Here, enzymes break them down even further, until they're just tiny amino acids, basically the building blocks of life. Your gut lining is clever. It absorbs these amino acids and ships them into your bloodstream. But here's the cool part. Your blood doesn't just send those amino acids anywhere. If you've just worked out, your muscles act like a sponge, soaking up all those amino acids to repair and grow. If you're just chilling, your body might use them for hormones, enzymes, or even energy. So next time you down a protein bar or eat a chicken breast, remember, it's not just about what you eat, but how your body breaks it down and puts it to work. From your mouth to your muscles, every step is crucial. Pretty wild, right? Your body's basically a high-tech protein factory 24/7. Keep fueling it right, and it'll keep you strong.